Hello children, today we are discussing some special construction, that is how to construct a bisector of a line segment. Okay, that's also we have studied last year, so we have to repeat it again. This line AB, we know sometimes the measurement will be given for the question. Draw a line segment AB with 8 cm and draw its bisector, just like the question will be asked. Here is a general form, AB a given distance. For construction it, from the point A and B we have to draw arc. We have to take the measurement of compass will be more than half of the measurement. Draw an arc up in the upper part and lower part of the line segment and join the point. Then these crossing arcs you will get. It will be passed to the midpoint of AB. That means the properties will be the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. That is the steps given here. Taking any suitable radius which must be more than half of the given line segment AB. Here the distance is not given, so the more than half you have just to measure using the compass more than half and draw the arc. The question is given a fixed distance, you can take half of the measurement and more than half you can take in your compass. And draw arc with the center at A and B. These arcs must be drawn on both sides of AB. And let the arc drawn intersect each other at the point C and D, isn't it? Now we can join CD. This CD will be the perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB. I will show one question how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Here I am drawing a line segment of 8 cm. Okay, 8 cm. I will give it as a name AB. I am going to draw a bisector of this line segment AB with 8 cm. Now I have to take the compass more than half. Half of the 8 cm, you know, 4 cm. More than half means I can take 5 cm or 6 cm, anything. From the compass itself, or from the scale itself, or from just like this, more than half. Just to draw an arc in the top and the bottom. Using the same compass as a center B. Draw the one more arc which will be cross the first arc we have drawn. Look at this. That means we will get 2 points. I will say give it a name C and D. Now we can join this CD. This CD will be the perpendicular bisector of this line AB. Perpendicular bisector means it will cut the line segment AB at 90 degree, and the measurement you can give the crossing point as OA. AO will be equal to OB. That means it may be 4 cm. If you want, you can measure it equal, because this is totally 8. It means it's passing to the midpoint O. Each measurement will be 4 each. Okay, that is and this angle will be crossing at an angle 90 degree. That's why it is called a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Here it is given AB is 8 cm. Okay, thus we can. Here the second construction, to construct a perpendicular to a given line through a given point. If in a given line, if at any of the point in that line, we can draw the perpendicular. That means we have studied the first section. We can draw infinite number of perpendicular through a given line, but only one perpendicular bisector, because it divides the line segment equally. So we can draw through any point perpendicular. Here is a given the point P. We have to draw perpendicular through this point. That means if making P as a center, draw an arc which will be cut the AB at 2 points. That means from this point we have to construct a 90 degree. That's all. First cutting will be 60, second will be 120. From 60 and 120 we have to construct arc at the top. Joining it, it will be passing at 90 degree. That will be the perpendicular bisector. Look at here, at the point P in a line AB, construct an angle 90 degree. Draw PQ so that angle QPA and QPB equals 90. Then the PQ is the required perpendicular to the given AB. That means if in any point, if here is a P, if you want, you can draw a perpendicular to this point, which can be marked as Q. That's all. We have to construct a 90 degree over here. That's all. I'll show you. Here is a line segment PQ. At PQ, here I have marked a point A. Through A, I want to draw a perpendicular, not perpendicular, bisector, perpendicular. For that, making A as the center, you can draw an arc. Okay. There are two ways. Using from this cutting, you can cut 60. One more cutting 120. From 60 and 120, you can draw arc at the top, joining these 2 points. You got a point over here. It can be given as B. Joining A and B, you will get this will be perpendicular perpendicular of through the point A. Okay. Now we have to construct a perpendicular to a line through a point outside the given line. The given point must be outside. That means just like this. This AB is a line outside the point P. Through P we have to draw a perpendicular to the line AB. What are the steps? Take P as a center with a suitable arc on sort of radius. Draw an arc with which meet AB at 2 points. So here the points are C and D. That is from P. Using the compass is suitable radius, we can draw an arc which will cut to a 2 point. Okay, taking C and D as the center, draw an arc which is equal radius, which cut each other at the point D. From the C and D, draw 2 arcs which will meet at the point D. Now join P and E. You will get a perpendicular, which is a perpendicular to the line AB from an outside point P. Okay, I will show it. Look at here, I have drawn a line segment AB and I marked a point below of the line segment here, which is P. I want to draw a perpendicular through this P to AB. For that, what we have to do? First, take the compass and I have to draw an arc which will be cut the line segment AB at 2 points. Look at here, the arc cut at 2 points. It can be given it as C and D. I have given. Now from C and D, we have to draw another more than. From C and D, we have to draw 2 arcs which will cross at 2 points. Look at here. Now join this point. I will give it name is at Q. From Q, join P and Q. We will get this is the perpendicular to AB through an outside point P. Okay, these 3 types of perpendiculars we are studying. First one is perpendicular bisector. Second one is perpendicular through a point which is in that given line, and another one is perpendicular to a line from outside point. These 3 type of perpendiculars we are studying. And in your exercise, here are some questions. You can try yourself. Draw an angle 120, bisect an angle using ruler and compass. After drawing 120, if it bisects means you have to draw 60. That means if you draw an arc, I will show here. If using this line, first by drawing a first cutting 60, second one is 120. You will join it. This angle will become 120. Okay, from this point and this point you have to draw 2 arc and which will join. It will pass through this first 60. We have drawn 60. That will be 61. The bisect of 120 means it is 60. Okay, you can try yourself. The second one, draw a line segment PQ equals 6 cm and mark a point AP at 2 cm and construct angle 60. And so after drawing PQ 66 cm and from P you have to measure and mark a point A 2 cm. Through A you have to draw 60 degree. Okay, now draw a line segment AB 8 cm, mark a point P in AB so that AP equals 5 cm. Here is also AB equals 8 cm and AP 5 centimeter. Mark a point P at after 5 centimeter from A. Now through P you have to construct an angle 30. That means first you have to draw 60. Bisect of 60 you will get 30. This you can draw angle over here. That's all. Then construct the angle 75. We have already studied. Then bisect it means it will get 37.5. You have to draw up to 75. There is no need to bisect it. Okay. Now draw the line segment of measurement 6.4 centimeter perpendicular bicycle. Also general form is we have studied, and 8 centimeter measurement question is also I have discussed. Now we can easily draw 6 points. An important question. 6.4 centimeter line segment length. Draw a line segment and then bisect draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw a line segment AB 5.8. Mark a point P in AB such that PB equal 3.6 and draw a perpendicular to AB. This is also we have drawn this and a point in a line segment, that type of question. You have to do yourself these questions. So we will complete this chapter. Thank you.